Hi, this is Dr. Monica Cisneros, and I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to my kitchen. A common question is, how can I make simple dishes more nutritious? Let me show you how. This is not only a delicious recipe, but also it is very high in nutritional value. We take a simple pasta and pack it with nutrition and flavor. What ingredients do we need? Linguini pasta, tuna, avocado oil, dry basil, minced garlic, pine nuts, and cheese. Pasta is a high carbohydrate food. It is an instant source of energy. But just watch how we can pack nutrients to a simple dish. Avocado oil is definitely my favorite oil when I cook. It is packed with nutrition. It is a very, very healthy fat. It has a very powerful antioxidant, and it improves skin and allows you to absorb other nutrients. Basil is a very good source of minerals like vitamin K, manganese, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and it is also a source of calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna is a powerhouse of nutrients such as omega-3, potassium, magnesium, iron, vitamin A, B6, and B12. Studies show that eating tree nuts about 5 times a week can help lower the risk of death due to heart disease. It is high in beneficial monounsaturated fats, magnesium, and vitamin E. They work together to protect the heart. Cheese is a good source of calcium. It contains protein and vitamin A. Garlic is packed with potent medicinal properties. It definitely can reduce the common cold. It is known to reduce the chances of having cancer, hypertension, and most important, it is a very powerful anti-inflammatory. Hi, this is Dr. Monica Cisneros. A common question that I get is, how can I make my dishes more nutritious? So I'll give you an example. Pasta is high carbohydrates, but doesn't have a lot of nutritional value. So what am I doing here? I use avocado oil, and I put 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, half a cup of basil, and I cooked that. And then I added tuna, wild caught, so it is omega, so it has a good fat. I cooked that. Then I added my linguini pasta, okay, and I mixed that all together, okay. And to add an extra source of protein and also other vitamins, I have added pine nuts, okay. And it's all in a nutritious packed meal where the kids are not going to complain about flavor, and when you are having a lot of minerals, vitamins hidden in this delicious high carbohydrate meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more tips of ingredients that you can add to add nutrition to your dishes. Thank you for watching.